Corrections over here.
Oh, that's fine. Alright, so we did some simplifying problems. Let's do some solving problems. Let's do some solving.
Where's that at? What question is that?
So want to do inverse first?
Yeah, I want to do inverse.
Inverse first.
Yeah.
So let's start easy. Okay. So the easy problem is y equals 10x minus 1. Let's find the inverse of that. And then the hard problem is a great question. Hint, hint. Maybe save it somewhere. Try it at home. Hint, hint.
Oh, because it's going to be in the quiz tomorrow.
Hint, hint.
Hint, 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 hint.
Okay.
Hint, hint, hint.
Hunk, hunk.
Miss Jones.
Alright? So I'm finding the inverse. Find
There was 2 problems on
the inverse. Okay. So for the first one here, y equals 10 to the x. I wonder if you can see. Yeah. Minus 1. I'm going to borrow this little marker. What's the first thing I should do if I'm finding the inverse of something?
Switch the x to the y.
So what does it become?
X equals 10 y minus 1.
Good so far. Everyone's good there so far. Okay. Okay, everyone's good there so far. Now what?
Add 1 on the second.
Yes. You have to get this little guy by itself. Whenever you see anything, okay, with an exponent, you're trying to solve for inside the exponent, get it by itself. Okay, it's your first goal. So I add 1. What does it become?
X plus 1 equals 10 y 1.
Okay. So now your question is, how do I get in the exponent? Right? How do I get in the exponent right here?
Divide by 10?
Not divide by 10.
Multiply by
I
10?
can't multiply, I can't divide.
Subtract?
We use the circle. If you see an exponent, I mean, why would we have a whole unit called logarithms and exponents if you can just divide by 10 and you can get y? Right? Like, why would it even exist?
I don't know.
Right? So we gotta do something more complicated than that. So to get in here, it takes a lot more complication. So I'm gonna use the circle method. What do I circle? 10. That's the base. I circle the base. That's the first thing I start off with. I go to the other side,
Oh, does it?
and then it goes back to y. Now a lot of you do the arrows correctly and then don't follow the arrows. Like a lot of you do the arrows and you just write whatever you want to write. Okay, you are guilty. You know you are. Okay. What's the first number I wrote down? 10. Second number.
To the power of x.
Nope. What? 10?
The power of x plus 1. Equals 1.
This is not right.
It's not?
Why? This is not right. People are like, you're guilty of this all the time.
Am I really?
What did I tell you today? The whole Reuben and Abraham thing.
Oh,
Reuben and Abraham are brothers?
Yeah, switch them.
I did.
They're opposites.
Not add a negative.
They're opposites.
What is this unit called?
Logarithm.
Oh, log. You forgot the log.
Right. If I do the circle and if there's no log, there is a log now.
That's not it. That's not it.
And then it's right
The
beside
base is 10 and then the term is x plus 1. Then it's right. If you forget the log, they look exactly the same. That is not right. That is not right. And now, that's my answer.
So x plus 1 is an exponent, but it's a normal.
It's a normal number. This is the normal size. So normal,
And they changed the problem.
this is the base, it's tiny.
Oh.
And this is the inverse. Okay. Okay. Alright. So look at this next one. Let me know if I'm going too fast. If you have questions, feel free to interrupt.
Okay.
Okay?
Take care.
Look at this next one. What would I do? I'm finding the inverse.
Oh, a switch.
Okay. First thing you should be thinking, oh, I gotta switch my x and y. Okay.
Minus 1?
The switching part a lot of you are good at. What do I have to get by itself?
I'm actually doing my day.
This, right? But what do I have to get rid of around it to get there? Subtract 1, because it's further away. It's kind of like I do the subtraction and addition first, it's easier. Subtract 1. And be careful, think to yourself, can I subtract these two? And if the answer is no, just leave it. Okay. And then what?
Divide
Uh-huh.
by 3.5.
Wait, it is.
And then cancel out 3.5 on that side.
Make sense so far?
Oh crap.
Yeah. Okay. This is confusing, it's okay. These are all multiple choice.
Oh, thank God.
Oh, they're all gonna be these problems, yes. Thank you.
Next, how many questions are there?
Like 15?
15
I don't know,
are
I'm
usually
not
like
It's a
15.
hard question.
They're usually like 15 times 5.
15, and then how many free response?
It'll just be a regression problem, like one problem.
One
Like
problem
5
is like-
parts, 4 parts.
Yeah, one problem.
Okay, now what? This is the part where it gets tricky again.
Yep.
Do you want to divide by e?
No.
I can't do that. I can't add 1 either. It's in the exponent, it's different. The exponent and in the log are different properties altogether.
Circle method?
Circle method. What do I circle?
E.
That
Goes
way.
to x minus 1 divided by 3.5, and then it goes to y minus 1.
So what would this become?
Log, yeah.
Log e.
If you don't have a log and you do the circle, a log appears.
Whoa, magic.
Magic. If you have a log and you do the circle, it disappears. Okay? Exponential and logarithms, the units.
And then we'll-
So what would this become? E log base E
X minus 1 divided by 3.5.
Where's the extra?
Equals y minus 1.
nice.
And then you add 1.
I add 1.
What is it? Oh.
There you go.
Can I add whatever's in the log with the whole number?
Nope.
No. Whatever's in the log, all of this is separate from the 1. Be careful. Be careful.
that's right.
And what is log E again?
Why?
ln.
That's right.
Log E and ln are the same thing. What is ln again?
Natural.
Log E. What is log E?
Oh,
ln. So this is the same as,
No.
this is a shortcut, ln x minus 1 over 3
They're
over
the same.
5 plus 1
Let
equals
me do this.
1.
Let me do this.
That's the
I
inverse.
remember.
If it's an ln, I mean if it's natural log, why is it ln instead
The other
of?
one.
Natural log.
So why is it backwards?
It's like L, logarithm, log, logarithm, ln, logarithm, natural.
Oh.
Yeah. It's kind of anticlimactic, yeah.
Okay.
Question?
No, man.
Alright, that's inverse function. Let's see if this video worked. Please.